Hello fellow foodie! In this video, we will be sharing with you our recipe of Rajma. It is an extremely popular vegetarian recipe all over India which is made of red kidney beans. Rajma is typically eaten for lunch or dinner with either roti or rice. It tastes delicious and is a must try. So if you're interested to learn how to make it, then keep on watching. Vegetables. You will need about 4 medium-sized tomatoes, an inch of ginger, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 1 medium-sized white onion, 2 small green chilies, and cilantro to garnish. You can add more or less green chilies if you would like. Spices. You will need turmeric powder, Kashmiri Mirch powder, Garam Masala, meat masala, Asafoetida, also known as Hing, Kastoori Methi, Cumin Powder, Cumin Seeds, Ghee, Cardamom, Coriander Powder, salt, bay leaves, and dried red chilies for the gravy. You can find the measurements on the screen or in the description box below. Main ingredient. You will need 1 cup of dried red kidney beans for this recipe. You can use the canned red kidney beans to save your time. Soak the uncooked beans overnight in water or use a pressure cooker for dried beans. We will show you how. Now let's move on to the process. Grab a pressure cooker and throw in the dried kidney beans. Throw in about 2 cups of water and salt. Close the lid and let the beans cook about 90% at a medium-high heat. This might take about half an hour. Now that our beans are cooking, let's work on the gravy. Grab your blender, throw in the chopped onion, chopped ginger, garlic, green chilies, and 2 tablespoons of water. Let's blend it all. We will blend the tomatoes separately. Here you can see us blending the tomatoes as well. We will separate them in different bowls for the time being. Let's check on our beans now. Please ensure that all of the pressure has been released from the pressure cooker before you open it. Be extremely careful while opening the lid. The beans are ready, so we will move on to the cooking process. In a pan at a medium-high heat, add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. We are using olive oil, but you can use the one you prefer. Once the pan is coated properly, throw in some ghee, cumin seeds, dried red chilies, bay leaves, Asafoetida, also known as Hing, and cardamom. Mix everything together . And then throw in the blended onion puree. Keep on mixing until the onion turns golden brown. It's time to throw in the blended tomatoes now. Mix everything together properly. And then put the lid on for about a minute. Take the lid off, mix once again, and then throw in the cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, meat masala, Kashmiri Mirch powder, and salt. Mix everything and put the lid back on for about a minute. Please ensure to mix occasionally. Since all the spices are mixed well, let's add in about 150 to 200 ml of water. Once mixed, add the boiled beans. Cover the pan with a lid for about a minute. After a minute, add Garam Masala and Kastoori Methi. Let it simmer at a low to medium heat for about 1 minute. Give it one last mix and don't forget to turn the heat off. It's time to serve. Look at how good it looks. We made enough Rajma to serve 4 to 5 people. You can garnish this by adding chopped or finely chopped cilantro, ghee, or dried red chili if you prefer. You can eat it with either roti or plain rice to balance the flavor. Your family and friends will love this recipe, so do share it with them. All done, and it's time to finally enjoy a delicious meal. But before you go, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, and leave a comment down below on what you would like to see us make for you next. We would love to have you on our team as we have many more recipes to share with you. You can also follow us on Instagram. We look forward to reading your comments, but until next time, we hope you try this recipe. Adios, amigo!